Welcome. In front of me is an iPhone 12 mini, and today I'll show you how to record your screen on this device. So to get started, we will need to add a toggle right over here at the control center. So let's open up settings, and in the settings you have the control center section. So just choose that, and from here scroll down till you find screen recording. Tap on the plus next to it, and there we go. Now it's added. So you can leave settings and pull down control center, tap on the toggle, it will start the countdown and then automatically start recording. Whatever I will do right now will be recorded, so anything that I will open, any kind of app, as you can see, will be recorded, so keep that in mind. Now once you're done recording it, simply tap on the toggle once more and this will save the recording, and the recording itself can be found in your photo gallery. So let's open it up. And we have videos right over here, and in the video there is the screen recording. So there we go, you can see that it is the video. Yep. So that is how you record your screen on iPhone, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.